Have you ever had a brilliant brainstorming session in Miro and then thought, now what? You've got all these sticky notes, tables, and ideas, but you need them in Excel to track tasks, analyze data, or share with your team. Well, good news, exporting Miro to Excel is super easy, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. But before we jump in, why should you even bother exporting Miro to Excel? Well, Miro is great for free-flowing ideas, but Excel helps structure them into lists, tables, or reports. Whether it's project tasks, survey results, or brainstorming notes, Excel make it easier to sort, filter, and analyze. Not everyone uses Miro, but almost everyone understands a spreadsheet. Sharing Excel files makes your work more accessible. Alright, let's move you on the next step. So let's go and select the files. For example, this is the board, and here are the datas that I want to export to Excel. Now hover your mouse to the upper left corner and you will see this icon, which you can use to export this board. Click this, and here you will see Export to Spreadsheet CSV. Click this, and it will automatically download the file to CSV format. Just click the downloaded file and it will automatically open to spreadsheet. And that's it. Now you know how to seamlessly export your Miro boards to Excel and turn your ideas into organized data. If this helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Miro and Excel tips. And let me know in the comments what's the main reason you export Miro boards to Excel. I'd love to hear your cases. See you in the next one.